The story is told about this believer who was put into prison because of his faith, of course without his Bible. One night he prayed, "Lord, show me a way to tell the prisoners about you without my Bible." Then he had a dream where God showed him an A4 page and he need to fold it this way. He saw how the page was folded so that it looked like a building with a tower. Then the tower was folded to the right and it looked like a little house. The walls of the house was folded upwards and it looked like a little hat. Then the hat was folded in the middle and it looked like this. Then the little piece of paper was turned around so that the long side was on the on his left-hand side. And then he showed him how to tore the page, as I've indicated. This was what it looked like in the end. If you take the left-hand piece and start unfolding it, you will see it changed into a cross. So you have the cross, the piece that looks like a cross, and the other pieces. So if you start using the other pieces and unfold them, you can spell the word hell with them. But also, with those same pieces, you can spell the word life with it. And as you understand, if you use that cross and the pieces to spell out the word hell and to spell out the word life, you have a very simple way how to tell and witness about your faith in Christ and what He did for us with those little pieces in a very simple way. May what I showed you be a wonderful, simple way to witness to anybody about your faith in Jesus Christ. May the Lord bless you.